Hey, I'm Josh Chin with AdjusterPro. We've helped train thousands of adjusters across the country, and one of the questions that we hear most commonly is this program actually worth it? So today, we're gonna walk through that honestly, so you can decide if it makes sense for you or not. What AdjusterPro actually is. Let's start with the basics. AdjusterPro is an online training platform designed to help people prepare for insurance adjuster licensing exams, understand industry fundamentals, and begin the process of entering the field. It primarily focuses on pre-licensing education, which in many states is required before you can even take the exam. So at its core, this is about helping you get licensed and prepared at a foundational level. What you get when you purchase a course. Here's what typically is included. Structured online curriculum. Courses are designed to follow state requirements and exam outlines. Practice quizzes and exams. These help reinforce key concepts and prepare you for the real test environment. Self-paced learning. You can complete the material on your own schedule, which is helpful if you're balancing other commitments. Certification of completion. This is often required to move forward with licensing in certain states. The goal here is to give you the knowledge needed to pass the licensing exam, not just pull you around the ringer. The pros. There are a few reasons people choose AdjusterPro. It simplifies the licensing process. Instead of figuring out everything yourself, the path is structured and guided. And it's widely used in the industry. Many adjusters and even some organizations use it as a part of their training process. It's accessible because it's online and self-paced. It's flexible for different schedules. Overall, it helps reduce the confusion around what you need to get licensed. The limitations. But it's also important to understand what this is not. It is not a guarantee to a job. Completing a course doesn't mean you immediately get work. It's focused on licensing, not full job readiness. You'll still need to learn things like estimating, claims handling, and working with carriers. Results depend on the individual. How much you study, engage, and prepare will impact your outcome. So while it's a useful starting point, it's not the entire career path. Who it's a good fit for. AdjusterPro tends to be a good fit for people who are starting out and need licensing, want a clear, structured path to follow, and prefer self-paced online learning. It may not be the best fit for someone who is looking for immediate job placement or already has significant industry experience. If you're still evaluating whether AdjusterPro is right for you, we've linked a full breakdown in the description that goes deeper into costs, expectation, and next steps. That can help you make more of an informed buying decision before you actually hit the purchase button. Seriously, thank you for watching, and if you're exploring a career as an adjuster, make sure you're focusing not on just getting licensed, but on becoming fully job ready. If you enjoyed this video, please consider, giving it a like, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you can stay up to date on adjuster videos kind of like this one. And until then, I will see you in the next video.